Aljaib Kent Chalet. Imagine a spray la sunny cha. Margo Chasser Navashte. I'm playing here with Sunny because it's raining, so I'm out the backyard. You know, it's kind of reader, no raw. Getting the spray la sunny cha. Aimsir, manager to hack again, Aimsir. The weather, unfortunately, isn't great. Our light to man such aclicht hers go sunny. And I'm to play and give Sunny a bit of aclicht exercise. So I lied a matey. I was just doing my fish and guide it cha. To my brand away the Caesar to my Jack ni the Caesar 3 go love it. We're just finished season 3. So the Sudan man on Lerva Sinas, I'm hoping to do a review of Love 8 in Ailge. And my van, the Sudan. Was I need recht mal bin a vertschein and sagt ma carrot to the Mr. Jarma da rudder kitch. No, you're not more van jam, there isn't a coin in set. As coin as is narrow the Mr. Jarma that. So sometimes I forget something. We're watching Love 8, so I prefer to do a review of something like Love 8 now, mar hopefully just finished season 3 with my wife, Lemma Van, because as I was saying there, sometimes I forget something. There's some plot point or name of a character, and she will remember. No vice versa, no chayele freshen, that Jenna Misha Jarmut. Jenna she shin Jarmut or Anam when you can do rather kinch cur kinch is a scale, cur sa scale. Cur sa scale is twist in the story. So I might forget or she might forget something important that happened. Mar Humpla, for example. Oh, the sunny bajan tiny vasha. Sunny bajan tiny vasha. Balach mala in a thursach. Good way to give him exercise and get tired. My understanding is that Janumat. So he's already been running like this for about 10 minutes, so long left fun of the video in this Janumat. So we're about 2 minutes into the video. So non-stop Janus hit workout lame. Oh fa Sunny cha Sunny cha the Gara fa. Oh, thank you, make Sunny's a strong grip. Thermodish. Yeah, so Bavalum Lervasin, I'd like to do a review. Just my sort tweeting me general happens for Lord. I'll just give kind of general thoughts on the show as I see it. That I think I'm go forward. Hamagar hate say so sort Nila Sam was sort a drum. No, ni a drum was sort girl sort comedy. Hamagar sort ni smooth comedy. Na read hate say so. I had a dar say so, the trio say so, and it's Javats of any storcha. So I was just saying there, I thought season 1 Love 8 was slightly more comedy. I mean, it was, violence is what the anach was that color comedy on freshen, yeah, my cert, because I certainly say it's a chikinch. The say so a do, I say so 3. Season 2 and season 3 are definitely a lot darker. Stronger, darker themes. Way more adult of any sort. Does that see stomach going faster? Sham or me. Just kind of general thoughts, and you might get much tweeting me. How it's gone there, but I want to kind of, save my opinions and verdicts, etc., and ratings until I watch it all and do the review and there was some of that. And if any of you have any questions for me as a native Irish speaker, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Like as Jinama my yell in Rodagert, I'll do my best to answer any questions. Agus beidir go bhhacha muid tin ní dhear go léon rud eile le rám na rí a teachhfuil chacha gan Aimsir. Just that I don't really have anything else to say. Just the weather is it's not been great. Yesterday was really awful. goí agus fliuch. Bhí rubag níos fearr ar leid bhí sé ar teirim chud is smuggle. At least today was mostly dry up until about an hour ago. No, mar sin meile le macha siúlaid seach letna. I was going to go for a walk, but what can you do? Anyway, beidir go bhacha muidir tinne se. Gyd i ceap sunny sné mar se. Wam hain agus sunny slán go fó.